Hey guys, so this is the day where I met Stel. It happened last August 3rd in a Brisa Mall of Davao. Galing pa kami work yan, and this is the day before Stel's concert. So yan, excited na kami masyado, and we're going to cinema to buy our ticket. And there you go. Here's my kumaring Bon purchasing her ticket, 500 pesos, and you have an access to watch Stel live. And yan, nagbabayad na po siya at kumuha na po siya ng 500 pesos worth of cinema voucher. And yes, I got my ticket as well, and yes, excited for tomorrow. And yes, oh my god, Stella, you're so pogi. So yun na nga, so this is a day where we will be meeting Stella. So nakakaba siya, excited as well. So I can imagine myself being a fan at this age, no? 35 years old na po ako. And yes, nakaka-excite lang. Kahit wala akong tulog nito guys, wala talaga akong tulog, but I'm really excited to meet Stel. And yes, ready na ang stage. So that is around 12:30 p.m. So imagining nyo 6 p.m. pa yung show. Dami pa kaming work nito. Pero we decided to be here at this early since alam namin na magiging maraming tao kahit na may ticket kami. So it's better to be early. So yun na nga. And finally, we met some of 18s. Oh, and yeah, nakaka-happy lang because I'm not alone. You know, seeing them, I can, see the word of SB19, and here we are with Bon kahit wala pang tulog. So this is around 4 p.m. I think, and nahihilo na ako nito sobra, but no, wala makakapikit. I need to see Stel. Ito pa si nanay, grabe, nakaka-proud lang na ang and yes, tingnan nyo naman si Stel, ang cute, diba? And oh my god, my forever bias, that's Pablo. I hope to see you soon, Pablo. And yeah, ang cute lang. Gawa yan ng mga Sam 18 fan. And yes, this is around 5. And yeah, yung kumari ko talaga, yan, hindi talaga siya umupo. Just to be in front. At yan, nakakatuwa lang yung mga taong nag-effort na And yes, this is the time guys na hindi ko alam yung nararamdaman ko. Oh my god. And papalabas si Stel, yung kaba ko, oh my god, parang naluluha talaga ako dito guys. And yes, Stel is coming. And oh my god, introduction pa lang, ang galing-galing na. Kaya no wonder why Stel deserves the spotlight. And Ira is so beautiful as well. Oh my god, I'm so speechless. And next in kinantay si yung Anino. Oh my god, nakakakilabot. Hindi ko alam guys. Gusto kong umiyak pero parang hindi siya right place. So ang galing-galing ni Stel. Yan. How many ang galing-galing nang nasabi ko. Super. I know magaling si Pablo. Style as well is very good. Ewan ko na lang sa hindi magkakagusto sa taong to. Tingnan mo naman, oh my god, tingnan mo yung poses niya, ang linis. At dito ako kinalabutan, ang galing. Pinatigil mo ng isang segundo ang paghinga ko, Stell. Now, I know kung bakit maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. At sa mga bashers, ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Ang linis ng boses. Oh my God!
Only perfect features every time I see you. Maraming salamat po kay Papa Boss. Warner Music Philippines, of course, 18 for coming tonight. Maraming salamat po. Magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod. This is Del. Maraming salamat po. Suicides, I couldn't try to make myself alive. Every day, it's with me.
Nakakasad lang na matatapos na rin bigla, but yes, in total guys, I'm so happy and seeing these people around, nakakataba ng puso, and yes, I'm so proud of you, Steph.